Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sennheiser Momentum TWS for headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily find your headphones. To do such a thing you have to open your app firstly. Now we have to go and find on the option find headphones. We have to click on it and now we have to click activate. Now we have to click while using the app and all the time. Now we have to go back. And here we can see our headphones location, and here we can play sound in our headphones. For example, left one and right one. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.